Drone warfare could mean investors need a new guidebook for this Iran conflict. Experts warn that Iran's escalating use of shoot and scoot drone warfare could extend the conflict, reshaping geopolitical risks. Investors may need updated strategies to navigate this evolving threat landscape, according to BCA research analyst Papak. Featured video: Coding for Underwater Robotics. Undergraduate robotics engineer Ivy Manke interned at MIT Lincoln Laboratory, developing groundbreaking underwater navigation algorithms for human diver-robot collaboration. Without GPS, her work overcame key challenges, culminating in real-world field tests across the Atlantic, Charles River, and Lake Superior. Manke's contributions earned her a pivotal role in critical program goals, showcasing her potential as a future engineering leader. Why NVIDIA's Jensen Huang thinks the market got it wrong on software companies. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang challenges the belief that AI will replace traditional software firms in a bold stance. He argues the market may have misjudged the future of software companies in the AI era, emphasizing innovation and collaboration over displacement. Tackling industry's burdensome bubble problem. MIT researchers have developed aerophilic membranes that drastically accelerate bubble removal in industrial systems, boosting efficiency in biomanufacturing, electronics, and nuclear plants. Their breakthrough, detailed in PNAS, reveals 3 key physical limits to bubble evacuation, enabling engineers to design optimized membranes for faster performance. Companies from healthcare to breweries could benefit from this retrofitable tech, unlocking new productivity levels. New method could increase LLM training efficiency. MIT researchers developed a new method to double the training speed of large language models, LLMs, while maintaining accuracy. By leveraging idle computational resources, they trained smaller, adaptive models to predict outputs of reasoning LLMs, reducing wasted processing time. This innovation could slash costs and energy use for advanced AI applications like financial forecasting and risk detection. Alphabet-owned robotics software company Intrinsic joins Google. After years as an independent Alphabet subsidiary, Intrinsic, the robotics software company, is now fully integrated under Google. The move marks a strategic shift in AI-driven automation, potentially accelerating advancements in robotics and machine learning across Google's ecosystem. Riley Walls, the jester of Silicon Valley, is joining OpenAI. Tech humor icon Riley Walls, known for viral online pranks, is joining OpenAI to innovate how humans interact with AI systems like ChatGPT. His quirky expertise could bring fresh perspectives to AI development. The public opposition to AI infrastructure is heating up. Growing public resistance against AI-driven data center expansions is sparking strict regulations, with some regions enforcing outright construction bans. Critics argue these facilities exacerbate energy consumption and environmental harm, sparking debates over tech growth versus sustainability. Uber wants to be a Swiss Army knife for robotaxis. Uber is expanding its autonomous vehicle ambitions by offering a full suite of software and services for robotaxis, self-driving trucks, and sidewalk delivery robots, aiming to become the go-to platform for all robotics mobility needs. Gallery. Here's a look at Pokémon Winds and Waves on Switch 2 Nintendo Life. Pokémon Winds and Waves is anticipated to launch on the Switch 2 in 2027. Few details are available, but the title suggests a focus on wind and water elements within the Pokémon world. More information is expected closer to the release date. Samsung Galaxy S26 vs. Apple iPhone 17, Battle of the Premium Phones, PC Mag. The article compares the newly announced Samsung Galaxy S26 with the Apple iPhone 17. It assesses value, specs, features, AI capabilities, and ecosystem advantages of both phones to aid consumers in making informed purchasing decisions. Between these premium smartphone rivals, Xbox 360 boss shuts down, gamer CEO, criticism from co-founder, Windows Central. Former Xbox boss Peter Moore refuted claims of Xbox's demise and defended Phil Spencer's leadership. Amidst criticisms from a co-founder labeling him a gamer CEO, Moore emphasized the need for perspective during this period of leadership transition and change within the company. Xiaomi launches 17 Ultra smartphone, an AirTag clone, and an ultra-slim power bank, TechCrunch. Xiaomi unveiled the 17 Ultra smartphone, a competitor to Apple's AirTag, and a compact power bank at Mobile World Congress. The announcements showcase Xiaomi's latest innovations in mobile technology and accessories, expanding its product ecosystem. Roundup. Here's what the first reviews, impressions say about the Marathon Server Slam, Pure Xbox. The article is a roundup of first impressions of the Marathon Server Slam, as featured on Pure Xbox. It primarily asks the audience for their opinions on the event. The provided content lacks specific details about the game or the event, focusing instead on user feedback. Xiaomi Pad 8 now official globally with 144Hz display and mid-range pricing, notebook check. The Xiaomi Pad 8 is now globally available. It features a 144Hz display, a faster chipset, and 45W charging, improving upon its predecessor. It was initially released with a discount of more than 10%. Xiaomi's tracker doesn't need a case to clip to your keys, The Verge. Xiaomi's tag tracker features a built-in loop, eliminating the need for an external case to attach to keys. It's compatible with both Apple's Find My and Google's Find Hub tracking networks, offering users versatile tracking options. Review: Fallout 4 Anniversary Edition. Switch 2. A solid port with plenty of extra content and bugs, Nintendo Life. Fallout 4 Anniversary Edition on a hypothetical Switch 2 offers a solid port with ample extra content, though not without bugs, staying true to its "War Never Changes" theme. It sounds like it would be an exciting and potentially buggy experience for players on the go. Resident Evil Requiem Day 1 patch and Amiibo release date confirmed, Nintendo Life. The article confirms the release of a Day 1 patch for Resident Evil Requiem. It also states that new Amiibo will be launched later this year, according to Nintendo Life. Hands-on with Nano Banana 2. The latest version of Google's AI image generator, Wild. Nano Banana 2, Google's new AI image model, is a robust AI photo editor capable of significantly altering images. Its ability to modify images sometimes leads to unrealistic results, demonstrating both its power and limitations in realistically portraying scenes. Android 17 Beta 2 brings a pop-out windowed mode to all apps with Bubbles, 9 to 5 Google. Android 17 Beta 2 introduces a Bubbles feature, enabling a pop-out windowed mode for all applications. This allows users to interact with apps in floating windows, enhancing multitasking and accessibility. The update provides a more seamless and versatile mobile experience, improving user interface across the Android ecosystem.